The LG V20 user and today in the video about the LG Harmony 4 for wireless. So this is the 4th generation of the Harmony service from LG and Cricket, and it is now available for $139.99. So this is a budget smartphone. So you can get it more. It's $139.99 for new customers, and also $139.99 for current customers as well. So yeah. So the LG Harmony 4 is available in tight and rare, so pretty nice. All the cameras look very nice now. Not bad for budget phone. So anyways, on the final thing we will have the notch 3.8 camera. Power button will be your power button will be on the right side. Band keys will be on the left side. Also your Google Assistant key is also on the side for them as well. There's the right side of the phone. Power button there. On the back of the LG Harmony 4, you will have 2 cameras, fingerprint sensor, Kodak logo, and the LG logo. You will have a flash in that. I think the flash is right here. So yeah, and it looks like it has like this. It looks like it has like this this metallic back to it. So that's pretty nice. So yeah. So the LG Harmony 4 is built for style and performance. Feel the premium quality at first touch with an easy to hold metal body with sturdy construction and classic stylish design. A 6.1-inch full vision HD plus display lets you view your favorite content in stunning, expansive HD. Embrace your inner photographer and capture the moment with dual rear-facing cameras, including a wide-angle lens for a larger perspective. The Harmony 4 also comes with a powerful optical processor for a smooth and responsive experience, even when multitasking. And with up to 13 GB of memory, there is storage for all your photos, music, and more. So spectrum are not too bad. So you have a 6.1-inch HD plus full vision display that is a 720p display, a 13 megapixel main camera, and a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. You have a 3500 mAh battery, 32 GB of user storage, powerful optical processor, and 4G LTE, and you have Android 10 on board. So pretty nice. Dual cameras easily share life special moments with your friends and family. Dual rear cameras let you capture the scene from different perspectives thanks to the main 13 megapixel camera and the second 5 megapixel wide angle camera. Use auto shot to capture a quick selfie with no buttons pressed. Simply frame up the scene, smile, and capture a new memory designed to impress. The Harmony 4 is the perfect blend of performance and style. The stylish metal frame gives you the protection you need, but with a premium look into a 6.1-inch full vision HD plus display turns your viewing into a true cinematic experience. From videos to text messages, you won't miss a beat with this expansive display. Powerful performance. With up to 32 GB of storage, there is plenty of space for all your apps, music, photos, and more. The Harmony 4 comes with an octa-core processor. The Harmony 4 comes with an octa-core processing power that can hold to even the most demanding tasks. And a long-lasting 3500 mAh battery means you can go about your day without worrying of holding a charger. So special here, like I said, they're not bad, they're pretty decent. You have Android 10. That's nice. Your dimensions for the LG Harmony 4 is 6.15 inches height, 2.92 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Screen size, like I mentioned, 6.1 inches at HD plus. That is a 720p display. 32 GB of internal storage and 2 I think it's 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's 3 gigabytes of RAM. I think, and you have a micro SD card, so up to 2 terabyte. The rear cameras you will have two at 13 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel wide angle camera on the back of flash, and you have an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Your connectivity options for the Harmony 4 are 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C. So that's nice. So you do have your octa-core processor, 3500 mAh battery. If you guys want to get source RAM, they don't really have nothing. I don't really know what this is, but whatever this is, it's currently not in stock, obviously. So if you guys want to get source RAM, try Amazon, so they have them. I think this is the same thing as the LG K40S. I'm not really sure about that. Yeah, there you guys have the LG Harmony 4. It's not available air quicker wireless for $139.99. I think the frame does look very nice. It does have a metal design, so that's a nice touch for a budget phone like this. You're getting pretty decent specs for this price. Not bad at all. You're Android 10, 4G LTE Type-C charging, and I think the Harmony 4 is worth picking up. Yeah, there you guys have the LG Harmony 4 is now available air quicker wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have a blast, smile, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching another video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.